Finally,
Yeah,
first
but
place.
I'm trying to
First
level him now.
place.
That's the thing.
Nah, dude, there's no way we lose here though. We're about to
No,
fucking
you
mop
don't.
on
You
the whole
win the game.
lobby.
You literally win right here. Like there's
I should just
no matter because you have your taunt. RNG does not matter because you have your
Yeah.
taunt.
Wait,
If
at
you
least
didn't,
either
then
of
you
these
know it could
guys,
be like
right?
he kills Titus right away, you lose. But guaranteed, you're if he attacks first, you're still okay. Like
Watch out.
Ah, that's so unfortunate.
Oh, he has a Leroy.
oh.
No.
Wow. Isn't that crazy?
The death ray of that turtle was fucking Leroy.
And then guess what? Don't.
No, not the laser.
I've been so unlucky with these poison hits. Actually, I'm gonna lose to Brandon.
No shot.
My poison didn't kill anybody.
Is this all he has to offer him?
Damn, this is number 3? This is number 3?
Okay.
You're getting top 2 though.
Yikes. Bye-bye. Damn, bro. This guy taking hella damage.
I'm just gonna roll. I'm not even gonna level, because what's a 6? No one's a 6.
Zapwick is not gonna counter. No, it won't. It won't.
It'll kill the rat pack.
Your minions really
Yeah.
pulled their weight.
But then it has reborn. Oh no, it won't spawn because there's too much stuff on the board.
Alright, so I guess just refresh.
Just cycle. Just keep cycling. I guess get more mama bears, wolves, and
Just level up, Connor.
This
Like,
guy's
that
ain't
guy-
worth it.
yeah, he's not.
Okay.
I mean, sell the mama bear, I guess.
Now we straight on Mama Bear. Now we need Mama Bear.
Kizzy.
Nope.
Nope. Mama bear. That guy to the
should've
right
kept
is
some of
really
those.
good. That
Wait, no,
the
undead beast.
horse.
Yeah, because so let's say you have it. If you were to sell the rat pack, for example,
Yeah.
which would be I don't recommend it, or I guess I would probably sell the sewer rat for it. But
It's getting 26.
it's reborn with
Critter
all health
color.
and all enchantment. So for example, if it gets the leapfrogger's death rattle 12 times,
Yeah.
it'll respawn with it 12 times. So when it dies,
Oh, give it.
it'll give it plus the multiplication of Titus.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's kind of cuckoo. It's kind of cuckoo.
Alright, see, boss, you got a free round. Bro, how the hell did Devin get second place, bro? Oh, he has beast as well, that's why.
Devin.
But what's his name? I don't know.
Brandon.
Brandon. Too many names
Devin's
to
the
remember.
other guy.
I mean, at least you got top 3.
It's not good enough.
What do you mean?
Everyone's gunning for you. Watch out.
You got top 2 at least.
We'll see.
Big
Look, I want to know what that .3 loss
Yeah.
looks like, man.
No, I don't. Nah, we good. We good.
Damn.
Okay. When he's dead, I gotta sit through this.
I think Brandon trying to counter me with with a Leroy.
What'd you say?
If you click when it pops up, it'll like.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Oh, really?
Well,
It's not skipping.
Yeah, Henry, we're gonna
Alright,
see what
I
that
might have to
.1 loss looks like.
surely.
No, this guy's full. Thank God he didn't summon a poison.
Crazy how everybody went beast, but they all practically have the same build.
Yeah.
Only difference that
Oh,
Henry
I
has.
should give taunt
I
to
just I got
Radiant, no?
luckier.
Oh yeah, I can't. Huh?
The only thing with Beast it takes forever to finish the game.
I guess some stats, might as well tank
Alright.
for my
Bye bye, Devin.
other
Brandon.
That's good.
No, or cycle.
Wait,
The only time you're
might
gonna
be
go
better.
for the undead horse though is if you get Mama Bear Golden, so you have 2 space to give it
I
time.
mean, we have
I think
Reborn here,
one
but
is better.
You
What'd
don't need
say?
to give anything reborn.
Tunnel Blaster. Get a Titus.
X.
What? Tunnel blast.
All right, buy that bone there just in case.
Okay.
Right? Cycle. Cycle. Alright, yeah, just keep cycling. Alright, freeze here.
Oh.
This is good, this is good. Because you could buy. See, because if that horse has taunt,
What?
It's
Yeah.
better than sewer rat. It's
What?
better than sewer
I
rat.
don't think the queen is too useful.
All right.
I think.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I'll just-
All right, Connor. Let's see
Uh,
what you're cooking here. Let's see
Actually,
what you're
maybe
cooking.
not. The sewer rat might be better for the fact that you have 3 Tituses,
Yeah.
so it spawns in 3 turtles.
Commander.
What's
just
up?
give it to Show commander. Give it a show commander.
But
What's Shoal Commander?
whatever. I need to give you something to do.
Let's see.
Give
Let's
it to you.
let's see
Oh,
who's
yeah,
a better
uh,
coach, Michael or New Dude. Let's see.
I mean, I can't control him having 20 cards in his hand with 20 seconds left.
It's okay, it's okay. It'll be alright.
Yeah. Hurry up, put the spells. Quick, 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 quick. All right. Let's see who's cooking more.
You're way too fucking slow, bro. But the tunnel,
Yeah.
you. What do
Oh,
you
I forgot I had. I thought it was full. I thought it was full.
Well,
Oh,
this is where
oh,
the
he has a better win chance than the other guy, at least.
yeah.
That's kind of a bad attack. Like for you to have Henry.
Yeah.
You might tie. I wouldn't be surprised.
Actually,
Okay.
of course, the only reason I outdied a Connor is by fucking bad RNG.
say that like you didn't beat me 3 times in a row and I had a fucking chance?
Well,
Now you won, Henry.
yeah.
Yeah. The fact that you killed that guy too, I was like, bye bye,
No way.
Connor.
Well, it was a nice game. It was a nice
8
game, you know.
times Soul of the Beast. Oh.
It was
You
a
have
nice
2
game.
golden, or...
Yeah.
No, you
I have a
two
Titus
golden.
Golden plus another Titus. It
Yeah.
is what it is. It is what it is.
Mm.
Pretty boring.
Yes!
I don't think Tunnel Blaster
Yes!
saves me.